Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and easy project. Building your very own mini electric boat. It's a fantastic way to learn about basic electronics and have a blast in the process. We'll be using simple materials you probably already have around the house. Let's get started. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a styrofoam block, a small DC motor, a propeller, a 9 volts battery, some wires, a small piece of plastic for the rudder, a glue gun, and waterproof tape. Don't forget a hobby knife or a similar tool for carving the styrofoam. Make sure you have access to a tub or container of water for testing your boat. Now, let's shape the hull. Take your styrofoam block and carefully carve it into a boat shape. You can be creative here. Consider the front of your boat, make it pointed, round, or whatever design you prefer. Be sure to make the back end wide enough to hold your motor and propeller. Take your time, and be careful while carving. Once the hull is shaped, it's time to prepare the motor. This is really important to ensure that your boat floats and continues to work. Wrap the motor with waterproof tape. This will protect it from water damage when your boat is zipping around. Make sure the propeller is securely attached to the motor shaft. A little bit of glue might help here. Next, let's attach the motor and propeller to the boat. Use the glue gun to securely attach the motor to the back of the styrofoam hull. Make sure the propeller is positioned so that it can rotate freely in the water. We need the thrust to make the boat move. Don't worry about perfection here, this is a project for fun. After the motor is in position, then it is time to build your rudder. For the rudder, take your piece of plastic and create a small fin shape. You can glue this to the back of the boat, near the propeller. This will allow you to steer your boat. Consider the position and angle of the rudder so your boat can turn efficiently. If you want to make it fancier, you can attach a small stick to the rudder so you can control it more directly. It's time to wire the electronics. Connect the wires from the motor to the 9 volts battery. You can use the glue gun or electrical tape to secure the battery to the top of the boat. Make sure that the wires are properly connected and there are no loose connections. This is a very simple circuit. The battery provides power to the motor. Now for the moment of truth. Place your mini electric boat gently into a tub of water. Make sure the water level is high enough so that the propeller is submerged. And then, connect the battery to the motor. Watch your boat come to life as it speeds around the water. Experiment with the rudder to see how it affects the boat's direction. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own mini electric boat. This project is a great way to learn about basic electronics and have fun. You can experiment with different hull shapes, motor sizes, and battery voltages. You can also get creative with the boat's appearance. Enjoy building and racing your boat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.